What is that?
What is that?
Do you know what that is?
I don't know. Something like, it looks like a mascot.
Oh, he's on the move. Let's go. Ohayou gozaimasu. Good morning. It is morning here in Tokyo, and I am going on a little adventure today with my friend Ray. As most of you know, I lived in Kyoto for a year and a half, and I only moved to Tokyo a few weeks ago now. So one of the biggest challenges coming to Tokyo from Kyoto is the lack of nature in Tokyo. Kyoto's kind of a bowl shape. It's a city in a valley, so it's surrounded by mountains. Also, the buildings weren't particularly high, so it didn't feel like a city, or at least it didn't feel like a concrete jungle type of city like Tokyo or New York. Now that I've come to Tokyo, I can only really find nature like in parks, but when you're in the park, you can see all the buildings around you, and it doesn't really have that same feel as Kyoto. I can walk to the rivers, but they're kind of industrial, or again, like surrounded by tall buildings. I am missing nature and feel like I need to get back to it. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, bear with me because I've been trying all morning to pronounce this. And I'm gonna do my best. Okay, Ray and I are going to Todoroki Temple. Is that it? Wait, listen to this. No, it's wrong. Todoroki Keikoku. Todoroki Keikoku Koen. That's the last time you're going to hear me say this. And the translation of that park is Todoroki Valley Park. So it is a valley. Oh, maybe it will give me that Kyoto feel. The goal today is to escape the city and return to nature. So let's return to nature. Let's go check out this park that I will not say again. I'll see you there. The park is in Setagaya, which is a little bit far from me. I'm living on the east side of Tokyo in Kotoku, so it took me about 50 minutes to get there, and I had to transfer trains a few times. But if you're visiting Tokyo, you're probably staying in an area a bit more central, such as Shibuya, which is one of the most popular destinations in Tokyo. So you can access this park really easily. The closest station to this park, which is literally right next to the park, is Todoroki Station, which is on the Oimachi line. And you can access the Oimachi line from Shibuya Station on the Toyoko line or the Denin-toshi line. Have no fear, it is super close, and you can access nature pretty easily in only 15 to 20 minutes if you're staying in one of these areas. And it looks like we're here. Right, hello everyone.
Hello.
This is my friend Ray.
I'm Ray, nice to see you.
And we are here at
Todoroki Keikoku.
Todoroki Keikoku Koen.
Good job.
Okay, I'm Todoroki, not Totoro. Ray, would you like to introduce yourself and your channel?
So I'm a translator and a Japanese teacher. I also have a YouTube channel which is called Konnichiwa My Dude. It's so much fun, so please watch my video. And we are here in Tokyo.
Yay, we're in Tokyo. Please check out his channel.
Yeah.
Let's go explore.
Let's go. Okay, you're here.
Okay.
You're here.
Perfect. That's
Perfect
how
sound effect.
I love sound effects.
something is wrong.
Okay, we've spotted something dangerous in the distance. I don't know what that is. It's a mascot of some sort.
Isn't it? Wait.
Should we see? What is that?
What is that?
Do you know what that is?
I don't know. Something like, it looks like a mascot.
Oh, he's on the move. Let's go. His video now,
Why not?
or both.
Yeah, I think we can
Okay,
do
let's
that.
just keep, we're keeping on
Yeah,
both.
yeah.
Okay,
So I want to ask you some questions.
ask me anything.
So first of all, this is a very boring question, but why did you move to Japan?
Yeah, I was not doing anything related to Japan back in America. I was an actor and I studied theater. That was like what my life was going to be. I've always loved traveling, and I felt like if I really went for it with acting, I could get stuck in one place and kind of miss out on my chance to like live in another country, because that was always a dream of mine. My parents visited Japan before I was born, which was really rare. Like, they didn't have any friends or family who visited Japan. It was such an incredible experience for them. My dad's friend was working in Tokyo, so he invited them.
Okay.
They got me interested in like Japanese food or like movies, and just they showed me pictures from their trip. It was just one trip, but it shaped a lot of my life.
So it's kind of fate you came to Japan.
Yeah, they didn't think they would ever get to go again, and then they came back and visited me last year, so I think that was pretty cool for them.
Yeah, I think that's super cool. She taught English in Kyoto for Japanese people, so that's why you can understand Japanese English, right?
I'm fluent in Japanese English because most of my friends are from Japan, so I'm used to hearing Japanese English.
For example,
The
I think
accent.
katakana is really hard to pronounce for Japanese people.
Oh my god.
I mean, they're originally from English words.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
vanilla,
See? Coffee.
coffee.
Yeah.
that.
See? Michael Jackson.
Yeah, Michael Jackson.
No, we say Michael Jackson.
Like there's added syllables.
Yeah. Did you study Romaji first? No?
I was really careful of that, actually. I knew that that's not what a Japanese person learns, of course, because that's a Western alphabet. So I thought like that would totally mess me up.
It's very peaceful. Peaceful place.
I get a little overwhelmed recently
Oh,
in Tokyo. So much bigger and so many more people than Kyoto. Kyoto is a city technically, but it feels like a small town. Everyone goes to the same areas.
so you're stressed out.
I'm not stressed, like I'm actually really happy in Tokyo, but I feel drained. Like
Yeah.
I get drained really easily now. You should definitely visit Kyoto.
Yeah.
I miss it so much. I really enjoyed living there. It just wasn't right for what I want to do. Like so many of my friends are still there.
I don't have many foreign friends right now. I think including in you. I mean, I met
We're
her.
friends now.
I met her today.
We're friends.
So yeah, we are friends. Including in you. I think 4 people. Only 4.
Damn. Corona.
Corona. I think you're super friendly, so it's
Yeah, no, I think so. It's just like funny because yeah, everyone's like, how do you meet these people? Like I'll tell them like, oh, I made a friend at the gym. They're like, what? Like what? They're like, in Japan? Like a lot of the time they're Japanese. They're like, how are you meeting these people? I have a magic power maybe.
oh my god, we talk a lot.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's really, really good to collaborate with other YouTubers because usually I'm alone.
Yeah, usually I'm just collaborating like with my friends. Like they just come along for the ride. And I'm the only one filming anything, so it feels good to like be with someone who's also filming stuff because then I don't feel annoying.
I don't want to say, hey guys, and then I'm so alone in Tokyo, and then hey guys,
Oh my God.
today I'm right here in Shibuya crossing.
Yeah, I don't really care anymore.
And
But maybe I can like get away with it more because I'm a foreigner.
that is so true.
Yeah, like I feel like no one's gonna question my behavior.
Have you ever dated with a Japanese guy?
I think sometimes it's difficult for like Japanese guy and like foreign woman. Like I usually see it the other way around. Like I usually see so many Japanese girls with a foreign guy.
Yes.
I don't see
That
it
is so
the other
true.
way around. Wait, I want to hear what you think
Okay.
first, actually, and I'll see if I agree.
I think Japanese females are more popular than Japanese guys.
Actually, I think the problem is that like there are many foreign women who are interested in Japanese guys, but the Japanese guys think the foreign women aren't interested, and foreign women, like Western women, like from like America, Australia, Canada, maybe, like to kind of like be pursued by a guy.
Okay.
And then I think Japanese guys also want to know someone's interested in them. But for a foreign guy and Japanese girl, like the foreign guys are so forward and they really go for it.
That is so true.
So easy for them to get together.
I think you're right.
I think that's it. I think that's the core of it.
If you are lucky, you can date her.
No, don't tell me that. Americans don't really understand like the Japanese dating culture.
Oh,
Because Americans are so like forward with their feelings, or like I was explaining something with like this like confession culture, and they don't understand that. Can you explain?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Japanese dating culture.
Yeah.
Usually, Japanese people date 3 times, and then they don't do anything. They don't even hug, kiss, or
Yeah, that's what like surprises the Americans.
see.
Yeah.
And then, after boy confessed to a girl, then they're gonna be officially a couple.
Wait, that's interesting. You said like if a boy confesses, so like that in Japan, like that's how it should happen.
Yeah.
Guys, I messed up. It's fine.
It's fine.
He wasn't fine.
He wasn't fine.
We're not going to talk about it. We're not
Okay,
going to talk about it. Maybe we can do another time. Like, I want to know what questions my American friends have about this.
Okay.
Because, yeah,
Sure.
they have questions, I think.
Cool. Oh my god, we talked.
Oh my god.
We talked a lot.
Guys, what are we doing
Oh my
here
God.
at this temple?
Yeah. I'll see you guys soon.
Hi. Hello, everyone.
Hey,
So we made it to that beautiful temple, and then we sat and talked for like an hour. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I did not feel like I was in Tokyo this whole time. How about you?
You better come here.
You should come here,
It's
seriously.
really peaceful.
So relaxing. But we're going back to where we started by the station, and
We're gonna make a thumbnail.
yeah, we gotta get the perfect thumbnail for our videos.
Yeah, sure.
Right, so thanks for coming along.
Thank you so much. That was so fun.
Right. ありがとうございました。またね。